Hi guys, in this video we're going to be going through implicit differentiation. What is implicit differentiation? It's differentiation of equations on functions that are implicit. What does that mean? Well, it's equations like the ones of a circle. It's where y is not on its own. It's not a y equals a function. It's where y is part of it. So we might have an equation of a circle like this. This means a center 2, 3 and a radius of 10. And we can now sort of learn to differentiate them. Previously, with a circle we'd have to find a radius and then a tangent. In this case, we no longer have to do that. We can do implicit differentiation. So how does that work? Well, say I want to take the derivative of both sides. I'm going to have x cubed plus 5y squared d over dx is equal to 10 d over dx. I'm differentiating both sides with respect to x. I could do the same for y, differentiate both sides with respect to y. Now remember, if I have two functions added together, it's like differentiating them each separately. So I have x cubed d dx plus 5y squared d dx. That's going to be equal, we can just evaluate it, it's going to be 0. If we differentiate a constant, it's just 0. Now this becomes 3x squared plus, now I'm going to have 5y squared d dx multiplied by dy dy. I showed last time that this was just 1. Now what I can do is, I'm going to write this over here, d over dx times dy dy. I can sort of swap these, which means I'm going to get d over dy times dy over dx. So what I can actually get is 3x squared plus 5y squared d dy times dy dx is equal to 0. Finally, I can evaluate this. So we get 3x squared plus 10y dy dx equals 0. What I can then do is I can minus 10y dy dx. So I get 3x squared equals minus 10y dy dx. And finally, evaluating this by dividing by minus 10y, I'm going to get dy dx on its own is equal to 3x squared over minus 10y. And the rule is, if I differentiate y, if I'm differentiating with respect to x, I have to multiply it by dy dx. We'll go through some more examples in the next video using this faster method. Thanks for watching, I hope this made sense.